It's Addie's first time at the beach. Ven. Vamos a tocar la arena. ¿Es tu primera vez? Vente. Mira. La arena. Wow. ¿Se siente chistoso? Se mete, ajá, mamá. Esa es arena. Porque es arena, es como... Mira. Ay, así es la playa. ¿No te gusta? Ok. Mira, ven acá. Ponte acá. Sí, mamá, porque es arena. Mira, hazla así. Con los pies. ¿Sí puedes? Es que es arena, mamá. ¿No te gusta?
No.
Ok, ven. Espera. This is how I look, guys. I didn't put any mascara on because... I didn't put mascara on because I look crazy, huh? If I get in the water, which I don't know if I'm gonna get in the water, but if I do, I don't want mascara running all down my face. And I brought these glasses that my dad gave me a long time ago. I'm just gonna wear these. Hey! And I have the hiccups and I look crazy, but...
I have a banana too if you guys want one.
Let's go. I look cray-cray. Who is that? My brothers? My brothers are coming, or my brothers are here.
Put 3 in there already. Alright. Already cold. Just take them off, bro.
There he is. Hello.
He's upset already.
He's upset. Addie, a ver. Oh my gosh. Enséñame el blog que tienes. ¿Qué te compraron? Wow, mama, you look so cute. ¿A cuánto venden los tamales?
4,400.
Oh my gosh, girl. Do I look like a blogger? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about my outfit. This is from Asos. This is from Canvas. This is from Target.
Yeah, my shirts are from Target too. No one's wearing them.
Oh, they look nice. But I was just kidding on Jose. Okay, bye. My friend? It's because I have a chongo, that's why. Or my bun. I legit don't remember the last time I came to the beach.
The last time I came to the beach was when we came with the church. Have her put her sandals on. She can walk. Oh, hey, this is hot, dude.
Yo me quité mis chanclas. It's easier to walk without shoes, dude.
People are gonna be like, y'all are retarded. You brought a wagon to the sand.
Hey, but honestly, we're doing one trip versus 6.
Yeah, that is.
Is that good or bad? Hey guys, I tanned my legs. No, and I left it on for an hour. Hey guys. A ver, Ari. ¿Hiciste eso? A ver, ¿cómo te vas a meter? Oh. Here, you want to get it? Give me a kiss. We're at the beach. Oh, I'm wearing a bathing suit. This is my bathing suit. Say hi, Jadu.
Hello.
We're recording Addie because it's her first time at the beach. My brother's over there. Wow! Ah, it's cold. Holy moly, it's cold. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get in. Oh. Okay, say cheese.
Acá sonríe.
Cheese.
Dame un besito.
Dale besito a Nino.
¿Por qué?
Okay, mira como.
I love you.
Okay, dile que se salga. Que se salga.
No puedo.
Hulk status. Yeah.
Well, foot, that's what he has. No, that's what he has. You just gotta get Addis estás en mis pies.
Oh yeah, she's like. Que se salga.
Hey, sand is heavy.
It is, dude, especially when it's wet. Ooh.
Sit down.
Oh.
Ah.
Wow, mama.